uria umagita jaria maingi nwitite athara inene mono baria bari ntere cia ndwanda kugatwika kagita kamwe bakwirwa ndithia ciao na bakinya bangi ndithia ciao cikwithirwa tigikwa kumania na drought iria itherwa ikiza magita kwa magita. Kagita karia kaingi mbura itinganaga na kwa kugatwika ndithi izi cikwithirwa tikiringika na nandi ntuku ya naro turenda gukwariria ugwe nikenda umenya uria ukamenyera ndithia ciaku na mbuga kinya uria withirwa ukigitira ndithia ciaku insurance nikenda utikaringike bonene. Ngigucokia nyuma baingi babwe ibwithara kinya bujukirite insurance tuge tampempe ciaku kana mboto ciaku na ndithirikari ya kaunti ya Meru netigirite kinya murimi uju ungi wa ndithia ati kwithirwa akinyereka kiri urimi bobo bwawe bwa ndithia gwatanira na botwe ikinya gwekinya nikenda tukuritane kagita gaka nikenda utigete na mbere kwithirwa ukinyereka withirwe ukiona uguni bwa urimi bwaku na nkuruki utoro bwaku bwithirwe bukiagira rietwa ni Maureen Kinya na baguntetheria kwithira tukiaririria rwaria ruru nkaba nenkira kanya kagita gaka bethire bakimenyithia kiri ugwe nikenda wethira ugitutumira kiuria kagitene gaka gukurukira namba yetu ya SMS 23578 wethira ukimenya no we wengwa ukithirwa ukiariria kiambiria na ugwe gentleman.
Yes, thank you so much Maureen. Oni mbitawa Ivan Smwiti ini Drive County Liaison Officer. Yeah.
Mugeni athikiria betu mbitagwa Michael Mbaka ya kuma company itagwa Zepri Zepri kana PTA Insurance na neo ni country manager wa project ino ya Drive in Kenya.
Bwana Mwiti ukwariria Drive na mbuga mtu ari atimenya mbuga Drive iji imbio yongwa Drive iji imbio yongwa na niki gitumi bukumita Drive na ngugi ayo ni mbio.
So Drive ni acronym ya de-risking, inclusion and the value enhancement in pastoral economies. So Drive it's a national government project ambaye ni World Bank funded project through initiative ile itawa Horn of Africa. So when we talk of Horn of Africa turiariria nthiguru inya Ethiopia, Somali, Djibouti and Kenya. So in Kenya and Drive in 21 counties, Meru being one of them. Na mno aim Drive ni kugeria kurieria manto ya drought. Insurance yo take against ngombe ni drought kana ria irio biethara bikunia sana kwethera kwina drought riu ende bagaita bra ba kunengera mbeca na maybe my manager akaria more about that. So Kin Drive tuina component ile kwina yu ya kuyukia insurance na kwina engi niyo ya value enhancement kana ira ukwewa mbeca ikenda umba kuendeleza manto ya yo rithi boku. Yes.
Na ndiria wauga county Meru ni imwe ya county ziria bugutegera bukiza ndene ya county ya Meru buri mitega isigo bionthe kana mbuga intere iria ciethera tiri na umu bobo no tugeta ntere cia tigania ndwanda ino antu baria baringika bonene.
Yeah, thank you very much Maureen. Tuamba area kuma buri ruire rwarera.
Yeah.
Tukauma u tugeta Kianjai. Tukuma Kianjai tueta Akithi, tueta Thwana, tueta Muthara, tueta Karama. Tukauma u tugeta Igembe Central. Wondi chionde cia Igembe Central no tu chionde chitito mwanka sendi cha Isiolo. Alafu na Igembe North ira chita wantu Ambui na Tho Amwathi ira chitito mwanka na gwita wandu Moru na Bulu. So area yonthe nio tukava nio ikava wa in Drive. So it is around 5 sub counties in Meru kuma Ruiru Rorega. Yeah.
Na ndithi ici turiariria ng'ombe mburi nkamira.
Yes, turiariria ng'ombe imwe. Ng'ombe imwe nio twita ng'ombe imwe kana tropical livestock unit. ng'ombe imwe ira nini kabisa ya 250 live weight kana mburi 10 kana 1.4 nkamira weku mathabu riu so iu ni oyukakia oyukairia insurance against drought
na bwana Michael drive tumba kuuga irita ngugike ati ni untu akwariria mantu jegie insurance maybe no to otwereithie na undene.
Thank you, Maureen. So drive ishagerera kwina type cionthe cia drought. Twambiria na drought ya mbere ria very severe. Drought ye nene sana. Ria arimi kana afugaji maina drought ye nene sana itagwa severe drought. Insurance ino makulengera ni elipaga. Igatethereria kuriva ngarama iria mangitumira kugura nyaki kenda ng'ombe itigakue. Na thirikari ni kurungamirira nkinya ng'ombe 30 kana mburi 300 na ng'ondu makareva from 70% ya ngarama iria itagwa premium ira muntu abati kuriva. Thirikari ya Kenya ni kuriva 70% kenda muntu for instance ukigwe ng'ombe 5 ukwenda kulengera insurance ukareva only maybe 2,800 to around 3,000 thirikari ya kurivira almost 10,000 all the way to that ng'ombe 30 kana mburi 300 ini ambere ini kumaanisha le kiangazi kiri kinene muno insurance ni abati gusherera bo na murimi for instance yakarengera ng'ombe 5 akarebo up to 4,000 akarivira ng'ombe 30 is half a million it can depend na uwezo wake ya kairi ni agatakatiriria tutena kiangazi kinene tumeta mild drought au nipo thirikari kuga o murimi wonde urokagula insurance ino ya mbere akongerwa another 7,000 ni thirikari this 7,000 murimi aga save 3,000 thirikari muongerere 7,000 ikinya 10,000 yune mbeca cia murimi te insurance igekerwa account ini drought ine agatagati aumirira ka drought kidogo kenda murimi anenkerwa the 10,000 na reason yao ni kuoneka kuririo drought ino nene tuthimaga drought na satellite iringa mbica kona nyaki bwikiri tukona bara nyaki ikinyete kuri arimi matigagwa mali just within bara drought kwenda kwambiriria no kethera murimi onu na kuga for instance tio kukwambiria kuleta thina ng'ombe ikwambiria kuthama lakini totally veto ni insurance 10,000 ino ni akaririso ile ya mbere then category ya kathatu kwina enderea within the country ta 2024 and a part of 2025 kutae na kiangazi kubwa insurance ino ya drive elevate almost 800 million claims ile elevate kwa arimi mara malengete almost 100,000 arimi ni marevetwe over 800 million but together there are times like last October 2024 season mama rengete they were like 40 something thousand mataribo a lot of money maybe around 20 million was paid ino ne kitengo kira tukuga lego tena drought kana ndo mari veto very little amount ne pole insurance company lute thirikari igauka ikaruthera twitaga profit sharing tanto ni mathonde kete profit inene na kwambiria mara October 2024 muntu akathithimoni akira auga star 800 star 8 ash nchokere kaili star 800 star 8 ash akathie the benefit cia iri bare for instance a profit share no ni 90 million mama alengerete insurance ya October 2024 na mara malengerete March cover yao eleon bando te itare kuma itare kuthire kathira end of December and in case tuthigwa twina kiangazi anamo makarugwa maina profit sharing neno muntu nathia kathura either wathi walutha star 800 star 8 ash igakunenkara option tugwethere for instance 2,000 ukathi kwire this 2,000 no nenkara cash kana uconvert into ile tugire ya mbere insurance ya ng'ombe if you convert the government for instance if it's 2,000 igakwa 8,000 ila tugire premium subsidy wewe na a total of 10,000 neno 10,000 ikagu qualify ko wewe nambi the other 7,000 ndio tugire thirikari ne ukunenkara ya savings. So those are the 3 categories. Ngicicokera kairi ni category ya mbere ni severe drought, kulila insurance ya ng'ombe. Ino yenge kuliva kiango kiria kieguru muno. Kana mburi kana ng'ondu kana nkamira. Category ya kairi ni rain drought iri kidogo. Lengera kuma ng'ombe 3 gwitie iguru ino tugwita 3 TLU kenda thirikari ikunenkara 7,000 in case drought tinene wigwina 10,000 ya gutumira. Then ya kathatu, when the country kwina payout kidogo, insurance ikambira gushare profit na kwambiria ma October muntu akathithimonia yawe mbere tupinga insurance tariki 15 lakini ikongerwa for 3 days akethera mbeca ira cionthe thirikari cia thirikari na ino insurance company munenkerete auga yes anenkero insurance for free auga no eterere lakini tunge advice yantu ukauga yes ukanenkero just that little amount but wauga no. Wauga no, I want insurance. Ukadhiwe there are a lot of benefits, including the thirikari will top up for you 70% of that money. So those are the 3 categories that we have for the farmers. Na these 7,000 yeno ikabirwa account inite ya insurance. Ni 3,000 na murimi ate must or save today. You can save all the way up to that 1st of December. Bora tukipinga insurance on 15th. Maybe I think we'll have 3 days extra handed. But by 15th of October, ulengere ng'ombe ino nema ichetie riuzi arime maengi. Na we go ina 3 ng'ombe 3 kana 30 goats o insuete. Then ukanenkara time ya 2.5 months to save 3,000. Then the moment your 3,000 is through na ino muntu ate go save through the bank account. Obro kuliva premium through the pay bill ya drive. No abuga annually even 20 shillings, you can save 10, we'll be aggregating. System we ka aggregate. Riga kinya 3,000 tukira run end of the month every month. Mama ina 3,000 we earn 7 tukagutumira 10,000 into your bank account. Now in case there is no drought, July 2026 you withdraw the whole becha chi on the month akaruta the whole 10,000. Ine chia just ila tuitaka akiba yozi. Yeah. Asante.
Mutegeri aranira na vauti kukurukira namba SMS 23578 23578 uri na kiuria kagitene gaka nikenda ugo withiro kigunika na kinyakiri mutandao wetu wa Facebook turi live ukoria kiuria saidi yoyote ile ankethiro angikinyithia kiuria gyaku na mbuga kiri ugo Michael. Bado njokeria ki kuria kethira ni drought ake ikugitiro insurance nontu kungi kuria kuinge mono kwizikene na mpithukiro cia maitha ya kwa twika na ruwe na ng'ombe cia wethati ende na ndi kuije ikuiwa kwina any other insurance ingi mtomba kugitira kana noize akia drought.
Thank you muthikeria. Insurance yone ya drive mbere ni okia riski nene muno ya ruthiro research kana utafiti. Tuona riski nene muno antu mara marithagia nyamu ino cia nyama ne ukame kana drought. Kwa utwambiriria una drought. But still ni tuishi kwina other risk ta ng'ombe gukua. Tanto ana ng'ombe gakua ni disease iterebwa. Ekaiwa iterebwa. But in case muntu ana ng'ombe ciawe itegendaga mbali. Bara insurance company mangesha makona ng'ombe ciaku ni cio ino kana makela veterinary officer turingere mbica tutumire ni ciekelo tags in case ciaiwa insurance ino irebo. Zepri gushagena company nge agency etagwa Eka Africa maruta wera na ma insurance company menge mono in Kenya. Muntu nkegua anoka thinene of the insurance companies yokera mera ng'ombe ciakwa ni iria confined. Ng'ombe itegendaga mbali. No lengere insurance ya in case ikaiwa. Taunto definition ya insurance kintu gikero ni gikuia kubatikwa kwina force kana antu masha marugole maunangarwaga then they pick the cows. Parino cienge ng'ombe ira igendaga malishoni no yume county ino ikethera ile Tharaka Nithi ikethera ile Isiolo ikethera ile Kitui ino ikegwele a bit difficult kuga le aiwa tanto tegwele very sure ke aiwa kana bando no ekolea kana kiendirwe kogwa ino tu ne anyaki drive ne just nyaki but nyaki nio risk ira tunkiuga 95% ya risk yenene muno but nankiuga ugu bando tuishe antu makopitokero ng'ombe ni ikuiwa yani tuona tukegwa news na tukerwa nkinyana ya remi mamwe na mubango wa drive wena other into shingoro thagata gutethereria ikundi kwendia ng'ombe gutethereria ikundi kuona mikobo kuma eno twita component 2 ZEPRI turi component 1 ni insurance na saving component 2 ni ele na kwendia ng'ombe na nkinya maunto ma mikobo na nkinya unobo kwina tracking ya ng'ombe kwina system ya government gwetwa ANITRAC le system wene gaukira bururu ikegwerera ici kuinsure ng'ombe cionthe ana igukua na iria ikuiwa onto ng'ombe cionthe ikegwa ile tracked but for now kwina is a bit difficult ku ng'ombe ikuthiururuka ila twetaga nomadism pastoralism ama kuma from one place ama ile ya kuhama yes
alright nkija kiugwe bwana Mwiti akugatuika severe drought ikwenderea for quite a long time ni tagaria riri kubujukagia au na ukituchokeria kiuria kiu atuchokeria na kingi kiria mtomba kujoin ontu agutwira mambo kuringa star na namba ingi au kwina njira ingi iria mtu mbuga omba gutonya kwina murithi uria mbuga atina thimu kwina njira ingi iria bukinyaga kiria arimi baba mbuga kubonereria kwina forms iria tomba kujaza and all that.
Yes, thank you Doreen. One umburia kithia severe drought ya mtu no mwankariwe anytime ukayukia insurance na you eligible na ikukonania con drought no mwankoriwe kuringana na bura gwitikaniritie na insurance. Another thing, you know, this one is a government project. Kuiva antu baba ingi muno bakararia bakoriala ini nini ama ni scam. But this is one is a national government project in collaboration with the county government of those 21 counties. Ikenda yumba utethia arimi muno banyama ya ng'ombe cha nyama kana ng'ombe ichi move from place to place nonto ibarare be otiwa muno nyuma especially re kuina drought ukona ng'ombe ichi ukwa sana especially wakatwika kinyava they are not included in the financial services so this is a very noble idea ya national government and the county government kugeria utethia arimi kana arethia batu wita pastoralists ikenda bomba kwithira bari included in the economic system so wamburia ringi ni ata bomba conjoin kuina bara tuwita coms kana community mobilizers para ambaye they are agent ba CIPRI ni yire ne ba traini na kinyari une aba traini terenge tuina in Meru tuina around 20 of them na kwambiriria ruyu tukethira tukitirimana na coms bau na arithi na itutangasite na kinyaza yangu tangasa ruyu muriri tuketha twina muchamania na arithi na those community mobilizers na batwe riu tukayukia antu nini batigania west na batigania east ponze twatirimanira aramuriri na muthikiri wetu kana utona make sure akwe yau ikenda para ponze bakwenda withdraw insurance na beleswa maana bweya ku iwi kethira antu batigania west na antu batigania east tutirimane muriri antu baegembe north ponze kana arithi baegembe north twatirimana Jumaine aka nini lare social hall na arithi ponze nini baegembe north na riu twatirimana amwe na kinya coms bau ikenda bombo ba register igembe central twatire na manabo ntukwe Jumatano au kangeta social hall iro twatirimana nabo ponde na kinya thai tuma muchamanio na Lindas ba arithi bau twinaira itawa Nyambene Livestock Farmers Cooperative Union na this union ni thaira ina 4 societies kwinio itawa Tigania West Livestock Cooperative Society, Tigania East Livestock Cooperative Society, Igembe Central Livestock Cooperative Society na Igembe North Cooperative Society chonthe ikaringanira ika union na ndenda kwira mutegeri wetu onthe bagerie kunjoini muno these societies no tukwina manto ya maingi muno yara ya komba kwithira kizi societies no kuona like our cooperative societies each area they are very vibrant and in fact they have done so well na ukoona mpaka akiwaria manto ya market linkages itukwenda kweria urakumbikana tumbe kwenda kia ng'ombe icia nyama kinya thichiome na it is through these cooperatives. Number 2 kwina what we call feedlot kana kuyukia ng'ambe ukayukia mimbi ng'ambe ira nchengu ukagerio chi feed haraka within 1 or 2 months chikendwa ringi ata profit no kuona so with these cooperatives it is a very good idea ikenda tumba kuendeleza urithi bubwetu bwega bwa ng'ombe cia nyama yeah.
Bona Michael kwina mturato joendai na ingwetikia koga ingwetikia kwariria untu bubu inde for the sake of this person tusisitize tu kidogo aliuga ukikata insurance ya ng'ombe zako ziibiwe ukikata insurance ya ng'ombe zako alafu ziibiwe utafanya nini kwa sababu huku kwetu Igembe North Nterechame ya ng'ombe zinaibiwa sana so ushakata insurance ya zile ng'ombe alafu saa zimeibiwa what next?
Okay, thank you Maureen. Muthikĩria wetu mubango wa drive thaino ambĩrĩtie na nyaki yake ya rĩrĩa kiangazi gĩa ukanyaki yathira na yathimwa through satellite ni ũkũrũkagĩra ntuko every 10 days tuona percentage ya nyaki itigarite yakinya 25% ya greenness nyaki nivo insurance yeshagirira na satellite ni ya US tegute muntu ngimanipulate ni ya NASA ni auto downloadaga na ile public muntu ombe na knowledge ya kumanipulate ni ku download data ino enge muthikiriria ya ng'ombe in case ikaiwa kana ikarwara ikakua for now it covered down to ng'ombe ira tugucover tha ino ni ira ithamagua ya ukethera ng'ombe ne kuthie nginya even 20 kilometers guceria gwa kuria na muntu atiurwa kana ng'ombe yawe laria bora balo thuriro auga kwa ni X au X ne bo nyaki enu ya thira X ukarebo anokegwa ng'ombe yaku thamithitie athie Tana River bandu ukarebo ya kwa gune ya nyaki na murino kambitikiria nkongera kidogo nkauria kule muthikiria uririe drotika ikapersist kukarebo
no unda modia
yes kama ongera kidogo kwigwa enu igukoroka kidogo tuambiririe project ino ya drive in October 2022 na ndo makaririkana nilo twaina kiangazi ile the worst 40 years tuambirie in 4 counties and 16,000 people ni malengire insurance mareveta 48 million ila cia umile mipokoni ya alimi na thirikari ya mongera around I think 50 or 60 ndikuririkana wega the amount but total share around 110 million in total insurance company na kavene ushele ya season shire kwa gutwalengerete October na twalengera mbura ya mweri wa 3 in March but the payout ya mbere ya December yali 250 million na nigitumi nkwenda kwira athikiriria insurance company iria tuthurite onto the project ino ni a State Department of Livestock under the Ministry of Agriculture twathurire turi the in the 4 countries tanto ya commerce institution tutethereria kurutha product na systems ana ino kwa nkiuga star 800 star 8 ash kenda ntu monde megwa maina njere ya kujoin mbuge the reason twina 22 companies itaonto ituishe in case to shokere 2020-2022 drought status insurance company ina ability ya kuriva even 10 billion inago taleu so far mbeca ira turaigite kando cia kuriva ntu irari 15 billion in Kenya but turibeta only 800 million na nigitumi kuona tukuga we can share profit alimi matiribeta 15 million remember tarira ngari kana pikipiki wa insure ya ngiriegana urivaga maybe 4,000 ino ile ya gatagati ni leo ya kuripwa unge ateribwa ugune bu insurance yerutaga wera kwa insurance companies toto ira tu insure value ya kionde ni 15 billion so far but tu na company inkere bana 200 billion na ikendelea ta itare baginto kenene ino ni international locally tu na 15 insurance companies cia Kenya na cio igaukia kiwango kiria maena uwezo kwa yes muthikeria ndo makaribwa na netwonire in October 2022 anto marivite kiwango kidogo insurance companies ya revo almost 4 times ya bora muntu ari ukethera muntu arivite 2000 thirikari amurivira like 8000 na arivite 75000 ya as a claim ira arivitwe kwa it's possible yes
nkija kirugwa bona Evans kwina muntu ukuria kethira igita riria ukugitirite insurance ya ng'ombe yaku ni ukari na njau kethira inya njau ikajukirwa ta ng'ombe irio yongwa kana ni atia
ya njau iteyukwa no tukugitirite njau bira tuitaira ng'ombe na ti necessarily tuyetwone ng'ombe yu no tu believe ng'ombe hii inomandike kana ichi itaita mbuga njeno manager akueleza bwega muno kwa u ukagitira ng'ombe ira kinya yaku ukariwa no tu nukugitirite kinya ukendio still ukariwa no ngwata ko nende bira tugitaira ke ni no tu wampara kana kwara na muno kwinera tuita unit area of insurance na ichilingana kuma tuseme ende kitha ya ruirero rera unit area of insurance tumona na andu muru kwina tofauti womba kwithirere ndu muru premium eyo eri iguru no ngwata yendo muru tha imbu iri around 3400 yau lakini niwende na the list ire omba kuitira ng'ombe ithatu no kuona the list ng'ombe ithatu haki the list maximum no itire ng'ombe ngiri no kuona na twina arimi kana arithi babuthitio bakagitira na bakona mbecha no to wagitira yu kitha ngiri ithatu na manayana government ni ukurira 70%.
Yes.
So wakikukuleti 70% ya ngiri ithatu na manana no kuona government ni ukurira mbecha nyingi muno no tu biroka yake i 30% mbwa mana oya tanthatu au na premium wiro yukirie no ngiri ithatu na mamba mbi yana na kwinende ira tu wita money insured tibo tumitau some insured ke ng'ombe ukariwata kwetha kwina full blown drought ng'ombe ubwiri kuriwa ngiri 16 na 800
akethira ugita kwendia ng'ombe eti ukamendia na tuge 80000 so mtu akeza kugitira insurance kana kageta 20 na mbete uchiombe one mbete u
membe no mongerere yao so insurance ya drive itakushwereria value ya ng'ombe ng'ombe no igwele 100,000 kana 35,000 kana 20 ne shwereria research ya ruthirwe ne international research companies pamoja na government na Zeprin ya ruthire toria ng'ombe re one cow inaia ukienda kumeokoa kuma kuri kiangazi kenda umiendia ungigura nyaki ya mbeca cigana twatara cia kinya 16,820 ng'ombe imwe na 16,820 no erewe ne mburi 10 kana ng'ondu 10 nibo kuga kiuga ile tropical livestock unit imwe ni ta ng'ombe na wengerewa ne ngambe na 0.7 camels leo value eno ogu insure wandika ng'ombe imwe system wekathoma 16,820 mbeca ino ni cia kugula nyaki ya gutethia ng'ombe itigakue kendo you feed your cow you take it to the market lakini nti value ya ng'ombe but remember ng'ombe ino cheukagia almost 3 years ikalea 16 times 3 ikole already its value yeah so it is ng'ombe ne when there is drought you feed it, keep it alive. Iria cia breeding yo shige, iria ibati kuthitho koendi. And like Bwana Mwiti has said, uka feed ng'ombe even iria it healthy.
Yeah.
Uka me feed for let's say 2 months. Ibati kuigwe kuringin the health ukamiendia. So the aim ya government ni in 2022 ndroti enu ekethira twaluzire 2.5 million animals.
Yeah.
The reason government igwikira a lot of billions of money ni kenda ng'ombe antu migume na mbeca cia kugura nyaki kana gukombora migunda kana le you move your animal ukanenkane ukona mbeca cia kuriva antu mara aruti mawira kenda ng'ombe itigakue na ni gitumi kuwa twina the second program ino ile under the State Department of Livestock ya market access na cooperatives ni kwirwa muno na ikundi ciendie bamo and actually one of the thing tutaugite ni omuntu enda kwenda kunjoin insurance no mwanka uge gikundi kiawe ni kiriku benefits ino ni ikorokera through groups kenda market access yumba ukandika all individual but ugatwira group yaku ni iriku but the group ikalipwa no kalipwa account ikegwele yaku ya bank ikalipwa mpesa ikalipwa ego ni mpesa ni yaku lakini bank account ni better tanto tena bank account 7000 tutona gwagwikirira na muhimu sana ntiche kana athikiriria makugwata kire priority number 1 thaino ni muntu ambe agure insurance at least ya ng'ombe inu ithatu yunto gweta 3 TLU before insurance yevinga officially to get 15th of October but to kongera up to the end of the week kenda then these benefits ino chingi cia saving na profit sharing yembugire in case there is no payout profit yegashewa uterengerete insurance uti thirikari itikunengera the 7000 tanto tutukwenda ku encourage antu mauga I have my 3000 here it is ngomunenkara 3000 nenkara ni 7 ikinya 10 then in case kiangazi kiumere muntu ina ng'ombe 5 ta 2022 ndona makiribwa average ya 75000 no kwa luo kanenkara 10000 vis-a-vis 74 wewe wa 10 ataumia ino 10 ni just wakati kiangazi ni kidogo nituenda mbere wewe neno tugire ni category ithatu severe drought yenene lengera insurance wakinyia 3 animals 3 cows uqualify category ya kaili ino ya 7000 ya government no kana nkarwa muda nkinya December save the 3000 then category ya mwisho neno ya in case gutegwa kwina drought ino nene kana ino ya gatagati insurance companies ana mama malengire March 2025 in case gutegwa kwina payout magacokerwa profit ya namo ya mberetia na October 2024 neno ne one of the point area murimi uria by the time tukavinga insurance atikegwa thiete auge ninkwenda insurance ntikwenda cash tukamucokeria that little cash into their bank account kogu into ira muhimu sana ni muntu alenge insurance no leo guqualify gucokerwa profit athi a select yaro auge nenkara insurance ntikwenda cash tanto cash igakunenkara if it's 2000 to if it's 5 tamuntu kunenkara 5 most likely benefits ya total together with the 7000 ikegwili over 30000 go to nkema encourage go and convert ya mbere ya mathi through the star 800 star 8 hash ma convert unua October convert to mwanko gore another insurance you can but no the bundle in the same USSD uge and TLU ongerere no libeka ile you can and more lakini no gole no ikarere yao ya then malama match kiuni kiuria kimo membi muntu akiuria yuke gwenda agurire match maika vetare kuthira but ikorothe no choose kare neo but October li covered insurance ira tugirele ya mbere ile severe drought lakini kesi ukegwa no alibirwe 6000 yeto alivaga ya savings anto manenkagero incentive ya kusave ya 6000 na ne elevate 1.3 billion from government yale ya kwera nto kukushia nto mauke into banks kendo enda ukopa mbeca wigwe na account active lakini tonera nto matiko save nigitumi tukugale tukakunengera nkinya December 31st you save 3000 tukuongerere the 7 ya government ikinya 10 but no kuona leo the baria the nere muntu tekakinyia 3 animals insured ate qualify no ya 7000 na profit share auka ano yake gwate ikalibwa mala already minor insurance but muntu a match they are allowed to buy another cover ikaranire shire no auka kaile akagora na aga qualify for 7000
So bwana Evans kwena mtojo already na gitire insurance yewe but now life happens watweka mtojo akokua na kwina mubango jura jwa next of kin kana nande bugu bukorera utheri
no ane mutetheria Antone kwa insurance na nä gwä karä na unfortunate te onto mwega in case of å rä o insuate aga pass kwä na form ino ĩcoragua either ũgĩcoragia ana muntu no agũre na thimũ tũmwanketere mobilizer å rä o gũtwĩgua akenda kũgũra today nĩ star 800 star 8 hash ĩno nĩ cover pamwe na muntu aũkĩte na thimũ gũkũregister it is the same akabia there bantu bakuga next of kin next of kin ni tumuria nginya location yawe nginya ID yawe in case of muntu pass either tunenkere document ta kuonania burial permit ya kuonania muntu nu atevo kana uke kwa county liaison officer and tuandikire balo atwire ngo certify muntu uyu chief na mwandikire balo atevo we pay the next of kin ino itukuria kuthi court tonto generally benefits ya muntu no mwanko thie through succession court which really next of kin straight away no batikulewa no kigwa kulwo ripo awasiliane na Zepri kana akurukire through the county liaison officer kana ele mobilize wawe akalibwa na ituribete a few people already
kiri mobilizers baba kwina kiwango mbuga gya kithomo kire baba tere kwithirwa bari nakio no mwanka mbuga withirwe uthithite mantu jegie ndithia
ba community mobilizers mbere bambiro taro i their respective cooperative societies nontu utomba kurita muntu area A umuikia area B na aritango ibwega so para ponde bachalelwa their respective cooperative societies batigania west batigania east baigembe central na baigembe north ana ba arithi pau so sana sana baithaira bara bathiritie form 4 na alafu another thing is that no mwanka akithira ena smartphone iu ni ari mandatory na we took them through a training of 1 week in fact mbere twari na baba ingi sana twari na around 55 lakini bara bombere qualify na baendia they are around 20 na they are spread out over the middle north ekanaira utwita nyambene kuma ruyirorera so pinge kienda kuongela nkenda kwira mutegeri naete through this community mobilizers nonto ne ana betu ni ba njensi na no mwandika nonto for every premium irokaita 4% niyo commission yewe niyo ya mwandika so waitera through that to uita to ngiriegana that means ntukuyo mwandika ngiriena ngirinya 4% so it is always good to it through these community mobilizers nonto still no kona there's a lot of unemployment in our country and so omwangwe
no thank you
the cooperatives na groups 4% ya premium ici ya murimi ya kuriva na cia thirikari ana cooperatives ikanenkerwa ni cia kimbesha ino their role ni gwitanto for meetings na the best groups like March season manivire 2 million the manenkerwe inute commission itago mobilization fee ya 2 million kogule maukurukira mobilizer na gikundi gikaribwa either cooperative even CBO ikaribwa mbesha eno mbora muntu egwa maena bank account na ukigwa kwina group itendebe the only problem kana muntu temuribe ni bank account 97% of the payments cionde ni ndebe 3% kwina maena dormant bank account kuto kauria muntu uria kikundikira bank ma check message ciao kenda maomba ku activate the account so that they can receive mamatikarete 3% already benefits ikorokirete total benefits they are like 4.5 billion in 21 counties now out of these ila share enrollment na ila share commissions a mobilization fee 97% the account initianto koguto nkiuga cooperative nishianto misemani because there is a benefit and over and above mobilization fee the next step to the terune cooperative kana no ashombe ku access credit kenda maomba kunenkera credit yin kule arimi mao inu ne the next step na kule already cooperatives cia mirira twaritie nacio mankiona mbeca inu atekenda mambiria kugula ng'ombe na mburi na ng'ondu kuma kule arimi makiendagia thoko ile mbega makariba arimi kaire makani capital na kauma still from the project mna maga qualify
Wero TV gonto jake goi mtu no wagite insurance
ukethira wike oi na wina ng'ambe itina aratu ebulu kana ndumuru no chigitire insurance kono agite we have so many people by in Meru town na bena ng'ombe chio Isiolo kana na gwita wa Kampela no itire ng'ombe chia kuno
na premium no ira
na the government subsidy no ira
na drought nezanagia mono na mantu ja kwaga thara kana grass to utho that ukiugira kana nyaki amantu ja na ndeza roji nyayo imutetheria au kana
we tirone ng'ombe ciaku iwo kamya bu kaibanga acio na ng'ombe ciaku enderu iro ukagura thara kaure into bingi na kwire bwana mpaka na ariria kwira kwina component 2 ambaye ire kunenkanira loan no ntubwa ku develop this value chain ya ndethia twina antu bara tuwe ba kubwithia kithe rounding grass ikenderea kukage ukame bakagita atia bakenderia bara bena ng'ombe na batina irio kwa wende kwina iwi gwitwa KDC kana in component 2 KDC that is a Kenya Development Corporation ambaye ikwa arithi loan iche kuma 2 million o mwaka even 1B na twina ni riwende ki value chain tuwe kwina abatua kana ithinjiro pia kwendia nyama ome kuri na omba kwithira kenda kuanda nyaki na kumimbil twina somebody from Kitui abuthakia almost 1 million bills per year na ngetete loan from KDC kana ukabwithia mantu ya leather ukandika good proposal na no mwanka withire na collateral kana withire wina utukumea mantu banki to mwanka withire wina gitu kya witabura so na maybe itukuona rimwe in especially these pastoral areas kuina thina ya kuona kithe itaito kuyukia loan ru so this maybe mpaka kelesa umo this through these cooperatives itukuelia kuona bura KDC yomba ku recognize these cooperatives ikenda eba nekera mbecha yomba kunekera mtura ukwenda tu ngiri manaile ka ngiri na rimo kana nya 50,000 maybe you can elaborate on that
elaborate on that no withro gichokerio jokuria kethira ibwitikairagia kugura nyama kana ng'ombe uja nyama
so ndekithie then nkarauka so project ine no kuragia kana muntu no rojo rwa ng'ombe ya ugu bwana mwiti auga the aim ne mbeca icone mubuko na icone na karugi ya tanto egwa ne October season yekithira bare December by February 15 anto makegwa mare arive kogu muntu na most likely kegwa nyakire nthiru ng'ombe iteambiria cia kuitendelea kuthi ugacicokia mali fulani uciefindira una ne no bila karibu na tanto bo wekaraga kula kwina miburo na lonshi ni kunya kithiraga mbere lakini wena mbeca ng'ombe ciaku no ireta karibu na lonshi kenda wigwe na nyaki lo I think changamoto ere nena muno ne anto kwambira gwiciria makaribu ari makaruta nyakiko in the next phase na negitumi component 2 ekwe encourage anto from counties ino 21 maukie mbeca magule mabande nyaki magistoaga kenda arimi makona nyaki ya kugura tanto no megwe mwina mbeca lakini gutena nyaki ya kugura that's one of the issue but then oria kana muthikiria oria kana nitukwaraga nyama so as a project tutikugura nyama poria kuruthagie ku facilitate groups na cooperative maomba kuleterwa antu mama kugula kwina exporters like last week kwena mucemani munene muno wa PS Kitui kulea maletete exporters maleta local buyers and many exporters maria na cooperatives cia nabo. And there's the same thing tukuga in Meru, in Tharaka Nithi, in counties ino cionthe iri around, is the next steps ira riu twambiritie kurutha as a project. Kenda antu matuika linked na better markets, maomba kwendia the animals. If county nene cooperative kegwe na uwezo wa kuthinja endie ile nyama, riu ni kegwele bula magetikaniria na muntu ukugura the buyer. Ya riu tukuri makendia live animals na nyama, but mostly mendagia ile live animals bora mukionaga thoko embega. Koguo tu as a project Antone a government project na tio turi insurance na the other partners are in banks mategora kama ka facilitate kenda trade ya live animals kana meat eomba ko happen. Yes.
All right. Bwana Evans, kiri sensitization ezi bu kuthithia kagitene gaka gukurukira Gen Z's baba and all that. Apart from gweta guntu na guntu kwina media msingi bugutumira kenda gutigira akaribara be kuraja mbuga iba gukinyirwa na ntumiri ta ezi ni untu baingi apart from buga gutona na arua kwina mitaratara ingi buikite kenda gutigira during the course of the week and the month antu baingi ni bagukinyura ni ntumiri ta ezi ni kenda bethro bakionokia ndithia chao kumane na drought.
Yes, that's a good question. Of course no kwanende ya Weru TV ina viewers sababu ingi muno in Meru. So I'm sure today ba tuiko baba ingi sana. Alafu tuchoke tuthiate na michamani yewe ndi tubangite. Na maybe it is good nchoke ringi. Itubangite muchamani ruyu. Kwa DC Tigania East aragwita wa Muriri social UNDC tubangite muchamanio na tukethera kinya tuina mpaka ikenda tumba kueleza arimi bwea no kumenya arithi baba ingi they are not very conversant na you see ina manto adhimo, so that's why we have to go deep down ikenda tubeleza kimbarasa na rengi manto adhimo sometimes it has been so much misused. So au tuketha tuina muchamoni yu na tuketha kinya tuina muchamoni yengi ndene kwa chief barasas na nambi ikenda tubeleza. Of course we have been a little bit late but also not lost no to week to kongelo to kuingi idatu maybe omwaka next weekend ikenda tumba kueleza antu boya na bomba koyukia. What I want to say in Meru we are lacking behind. No to last season OND kana October November December bayukite on ngiriele enge ya March April May kana months bayukite antu ngiri thatu no kuona so collectively ngiri yana ngiri ithano lakini aweta konto ya Baringo kana West Pokot bayukia kinya oremwe season imwe ngiri antu ngiri 15 na kuina benefit nyingi muno no ntunkwire ya kuyukia tuengiriana waitera ngiriana na we isepsi ndeu urengerwa kwetha kwina fumbulo in drought urengerwa musingiri mana 5 times na tuina murimi umwe maybe ora tukayano in the next talk show ambaye naonere mbecha boya ya 2023 na riboya ya lakini although that time this project tare ukinya Meru no nto yakinyire Meru 2024 naonere mbecha boya no nto yitirite na hapo wa Samburu so burankenda kuwa ni atiri antu ipo umire na bayukie mantu ya na seriousness no nto kwira wa mtu atiche onto ni kia onto buriku po so ende tukendo ti wanyuma no ntu kuona all other cooperatives each area cia urimi bokawa na ambi chireo lakini ende thai irone tuina nafasi enje mno antu bara etata barari a little bit tumba kwa neglected lakini patirari no bawira so on Tuesday tuketha tuina muchamani yungi lare yo antu ba Egembe North on Wednesday tuketha tuina muchamani yungi kwa DC na antu ba Egembe Central na kumau tukambira tumechamani tungi kidogo at one level ikenda tumba kuhata arimbe baba ingi na bomba kuita this insurance.
Thank you very much. Begambo kwe muthatu kithirikiria buga gintu kira tutagweta kiro enda kusisitiza.
Okay, niye ne nkera rime nkerekereria maukie project ino ya very serious. Already nä twiguite thĩinĩ wa magathĩti na tukathoma makiuga no akwigua kwĩna ukame kana drought nene muno kwambĩrĩria October. Koguo neno nĩ njĩra tu ya thirikari ya gũteithia antu makauga maria affected na drought. Koguo muntu atagakorwo kwĩna nafasi ĩno antu drought yaumirira utiumba gucona. Gucona nĩ thaa ino mbere tumenya kana kwĩna drought. Koguo nĩ nkiuga antu nĩ magerie njuu chini mbere tubinga insurance megwe makurugura na mara maina insurance ya October migambe ya mwisho kumaririkania mathikoli star 800 star 8 ash muntu athia convert mbeca inu ciawe kenda benefit ciongerereka na cia thirikari ke ugune bunenge maririkania. Thank you.
Yeah. So burankenda kwira antu babaingi bandingaira thimuri mabamburia is a scam na ata mtomba kurwa mbeca mbere. This is not a scam. This is a national government project which is being implemented in a county government. Kou ugatwanya ene ofisi kwa DC kana ginya kwao ibondi bakumenya about this project na iboya sana na kwina arithi baraba faindikite from county to county na ibon kwenda kuende batu meru like twina almost 20,000 households baraba baika ngombe icha nyama. So at least tubwiri ku pull us up our socks tukakinya no ngiri 10 tukakinya no ngiri 10 ikenda at least tumba ku benefit no nturia kiangasi kia wona ngombe kendo kinya ngiri 5 ngombe kinya ngiri 10. So okay akwithira no me wona ngiri 5 ira ko weta kura chieri arira. So okay akwithira kwina ngi ukona kausa indisi tuende ore wakithe ngiri 16 yu pa ngombe. So no kono kombo chiurireria kana kombo chiurira kithaka. So it is good and to bayukie this is the thing seriously.
Thank you very much. Ibwega sana nutubakona kanya na kweza na kwaraniria na bautwe na nkuruki kuritana murimi mantu tareria nikenda atigete na mbere na kwithirwa kiringika kiri urimi bwawe. Mutegerioni ntiongera na ntitaura. Rĩtwa nĩ Maureen Kinya ingwetikio kuthoma mantu nkabo.
AJ ni Wero TV.